What's up, everybody? It's Rashid and Christian here, back with another banger video. And today's video, I want to talk to y'all all about YouTube automation because I really feel like this needs to be talked about because it's a way you can make a lot of money. And when I say a lot of money, like clipping, YouTube automation, that's a big thing right now. A lot of people think it's oversaturated. I don't really think it's oversaturated. It's just you're gonna have to put some work in. Like with any of this stuff, you gotta understand how YouTube works. It's gonna take you a little minute for you to get monetized. You gotta put some work in before that until you get to that point. So y'all can't just be like looking at how everybody else doing it. I know a lot of y'all do that. Y'all see the videos of people talking about I made 6 figures doing YouTube automation. Y'all be like, ain't no way they doing that. They oversaturated. It's not. You just gotta really just lock in and grind.
Yeah.
So I'm basically finna explain to y'all how do y'all do that. How do y'all get started with it? It's pretty simple. Like I said, I'm doing it now. I'm not going to disclose the channel I'm working on because, like I said, with most of the time people do this, they keep it anonymous, like who ran the channel and stuff. So I'm not going to disclose my channel, but I will keep you updated on the progress and on the journey of it and how it does do it, and eventually if it does get monetized and all that kind of stuff. So basically, we got to talk about. If we're going to talk about this, we need to talk about AI. AI is one of the best things. Like you use that a lot too, right?
Yeah.
AI is one of the best things.
So one software I like is in-video AI. What's the one that you use? Text-to-speech?
I think it's like, I'm gonna link in the description, guy. I think it's like Snap Video or something like that. But it's pretty dope. Like, it's what I do is basically like I look at, you see how those AI videos be on TikTok to where like you see they be like talking about like conspiracy theories and stuff like that. So that's kind of how I'm running my channel. So what I did was, and listen, like another thing I always try to tell you on this channel is take action. Like I literally thought about this yesterday, and I made a video yesterday. Like I'm not playing. Like
that's why we're friends.
Yeah, that's why me and him click so much because we say we're gonna do something, we gonna do it. We ain't gonna just sit here and wait. Like 'cause I know some of y'all do that. Y'all procrastinate. Y'all wait a year to start something. Y'all say y'all want to do something.
Plan for everything.
Y'all playing like y'all playing it. Forget the plan and go try it now and see if it works and see if you like it. See if you can actually get into it. And then you'll know if you actually want to do it. I'd rather know sooner than later if I can do it or not. So yeah.
Start small.
Start small. That's why I always say start small and work your way up. But what you do is like you'll see like, you know, the AI, you know, I'm pretty sure we all see on TikTok, like it's all these AI generated videos and stuff like that. They be talking about conspiracies, they be talking about like top 5 something or anything like that. So you all can run that. And what you do is like this is how I set it up. I'll go find a video on TikTok, right? And that video will have 1 million views. So I know that's a winning script.
Yep.
Because you want to pick a video that you know will work. So you need to niche your content down too. Don't just be posting a lot of different stuff. So if you're going to do conspiracy theory, stay on that. If you're going to do finance, stay on that. Do what you got to do. But yeah, you find you a winning TikTok, something that got like 1 million views. You can take that, like it's websites that you can do all this. And I'm going to teach all this and more like for sure, my mentorships. That's where y'all can get all the links and all that. You know, I can't give out all the sauce on here. But what you do is you'll copy that link and put it into the AI. The AI will grab the whole script of that video. So everything that was said in that video, which is the winning script, it'll put that in there. Then, you know what I'm saying? So you won't be on some copyright stuff. Run it through ChatGPT. Reword that script. Once you reword it, you can take it into the AI. Then it'll put the voiceover on it and it'll generate a whole TikTok based on what the video was about. Like I didn't do nothing. Like that was the most easiest thing. Like all I had to do was get the script and stuff, put that in there. It generated all the images and everything like that, and it was just pretty much just upload, put music behind it, upload. And like I said, I started this page yesterday. I already got 2 videos with 500 views on it, and I gained some new followers too off of that. So like I said, it's pretty simple to do that. With the YouTube thing, because that's gonna be YouTube is really good too. So you can do YouTube Shorts, or you can be doing long form content. Like some people that do shorts channel, like they got a channel just straight up shorts, and it works out. But like I said, the thing about YouTube and all this other stuff is consistency. Y'all need to at least post once a week. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. If y'all can post more, do that, but at least one time a week. Don't let your channel die down. And like I said, also like I was talking about niching it down, because y'all need to be niche too, because YouTube algorithm, how that works is if you got a lot of different content or different stuff, they don't know who your target audience is, so they're not gonna send it out to them. Because like I know some people be saying, man, I made a channel and I had it for years and I never got views. That's because y'all ain't niching down and y'all don't upload a lot. Like it's gonna be a process. It's not overnight. It's never gonna be overnight. But if y'all do what y'all need to do, actually like dedicate yourself to this and actually dedicate yourself to trying to learn, you'll get better and you'll see results with it. So yeah, what you'll do with that, I say do the same thing. Repurpose your shorts. Like take your TikToks, put them on YouTube. Also put them on IG Reels and all that kind of stuff. You can do it. You can do this on all these platforms the same way. And you can build up and get monetized. Facebook also pretty good too. I see. I heard Facebook has like a really good cost per click as far as if people clicking on your video and stuff like that. So I also recommend checking out Facebook.
Yeah.
But my main two, if y'all ask me like what I recommend, I say YouTube and TikTok. Because those are, you know what I'm saying? TikTok.
You get the most volume on TikTok.
You get the most volume on TikTok. I think you need 10,000 followers plus 100,000 views in 30 days to get into their creative fund program or whatever. But once you get in there, man, people are making bank, man. That's where you start seeing people making $10,000 a month or stuff like that. And like I said, it's doable. Like people really like, and it's like I said, it also goes to the clipping thing. Like I said, because like this is another option y'all could take too. If y'all watch these streamers, these YouTubers, Mr. Beast, all them like that, y'all really could make a killing clipping their content and putting it on TikTok. Because you know people, it's already a demand for that content because a lot of people are fans of those people. So if you're doing that, you can do the exact same thing. You probably can get the AI to clip their stuff too. I think it's AI software where they'll take a whole long form video and make like 30 short form clips. You can turn that into like 30 video. That's 30 days of post right there.
Yeah.
You might got to pay for it, but at the same time, think about it. You get 30 days of post off of just putting a long form video into AI. So it's very good. So I think y'all should do that. And like I said, that's all y'all really got to do. Then with the long form stuff though, that one gets a little bit complicated. Like I said, I had to break it down in my mentorship fully. But with the long form, what you'll do is you kind of do the same thing. Like you can literally take a whole YouTube video. You can get the script from one YouTube video, get you something that got 100,000 or a million views so you know it works. You take that, get the whole script of that, put that in the chat GPT. Once it gets out of there, you got a whole reworded script that's in your own words and everything like that. It's not, copyright or anything like that. Then you put it into an AI and let the AI turn it to text to speech. Then you put that into like, CapCut. I use CapCut. So CapCut's really good software. You put that in there, and then after that, all you gotta do is just go on like Pexels or something like that and get some stock footage of like whatever you're talking about. So if you're talking about conspiracy theories or like I did a video on ancient Egypt, like just go get some stock footage of the pyramids and stuff, chop that up, put it in there, put some music behind it, upload that bad boy on YouTube, and y'all be seeing good. So like I said, it's a really good hustle, man. Like it really some people just do this. Like it's all they do. And it's crazy. Like it's crazy. Like it's just so much. Like I want to tell y'all this. Like it's so much opportunity out here. Like once you start opening your eyes up, you start realizing all the opportunities out there. You be like, man. Like I said, I'm gonna let y'all know this before I get up out of here. You gotta stop thinking like a consumer. You gotta stop that. Think on the other side of it. Once you think on the other side of it, you start seeing all these opportunities. Like I said, instead of you being the person that watching and be the person that creates the content, it's easy. And I want to see all y'all do this. So like I said, if y'all decide to do YouTube automation or anything like that, I am teaching that in my mentorship. Y'all need any extra help. So it's going to be down below in my description. So y'all check that out. So I'm out of here, y'all. Y'all be safe. Peace out. Out of here.